Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Rune video update for Friday 12th of August. And there's this particular trend line that I'm actually looking on the daily time frame, and there's a potential 100% pump coming in for Rune as well. So from there to there, we're looking to actually go up to this particular trend line and a target. So the previous history is that you had this some sort of a pattern here, went down, came up, went down, boom, try to make an uptrend like this, and you finally broke out of that uptrend and you're looking to actually backtest everything. So on a nutshell, this is how that neckline really looked like from above, and you're breaking it out of here and you're trying to move higher. Now on the daily time frame, not only that, you do have a little bit of a pattern here, small pattern that you're actually coming down for the retest. Okay, now to me, weekend is coming in, and this weekend can actually just be spent, the whole weekend can only be spent for retesting some levels. Okay, so my take is that you have this touch here, you have that touch there, and you have this touch right over here. And in my opinion, we still haven't back tested it properly. Like, you just went a little bit and you're above that line at the moment, 2.817. It's supposed to come down to 2.8, or even probably come down to 2.775. Go a little bit down, liquidate people here, and then boom, try to go to the upside. So I do think it will be an amazing entry opportunity, and I'm going to be looking to take this on my signals as well. If it does go to 2.777 here, or 2.77, hold this level, back test successfully, and I'm in for 100% move to the upside. Now we do know Rune loves to jump. When Rune moves, like no one stops it, and it has been moving quite good at the moment right now. Okay, so it's been amazing, a healthy move to the upside. And there's this volatility wick down here, so that wick right there, wicks here, you can see another wick right here, you can see wicks right there, another wick right here, move to the upside, wick right there, move to the upside. So I do expect some sort of another wick like this again, just to that encircled area, and then that would be amazing in the next coming few days. So that's pretty much it right now. And on the 4-hour time frame, just going to tell you about the RSI at the moment, because the RSI seems to me like it's making some sort of a double top right now. Okay, so we also got to be careful about the double top, and we can lose that trend line as well. So this was your first top here, the second top, and you might be coming down to this particular neckline, and then you can break down to this level, 30 point something, 29 point something. And when you do actually go for the oversold level, then we're going to talk about what Rune looks like at that particular point of time. On the 4-hour time frame, we do have the 3 black crows at the moment, and that 3 black crows means a continuation pattern. So 3 red candles back to back is not a good sign. That means prices are going to continue lower, so it actually could come down to even 2.685 as well, and then bounce off this area. So that's it for this update at the moment about Rune. I'm going to see you the next one. Hello, office. Hey, can I tell you something real quickly? There's this subscribe button right here. Once you click that, there's a bell icon as well, and I want you to click that. Secondly, if you want to be a part of our signals agreement group, and you want to actually take my signals and when I trade, you can click on this video, on the link in the description of the video, and you can join the signals agreement for $10 per month. Or maybe you don't want to actually the signals, then you want to actually learn the way I trade, then click on this link here, Atom Coins, and you are gonna go to this trading course, and we have 42 different topics, 18 hours of contents to make sure that you never lose a trade again anymore. It's actually $49. Okay, if you look at it, it's $49, but there's one more thing. What you want to do is actually click on the Discord link here. Once you do that, you're going to actually join our Discord link, and we do have so many different coin chats right over here, from Bitcoin all the way to Solana to VeChain all the way to Luna Classic. It's absolutely free of cost, and all you want to do is you want to go to this channel called Announcement, click on the announcement, click on my name, and drop me a message, and I'm gonna give you a discount of $20 from this course, and you can get it for $49, and it's yours. Trade safe, trade careful. Bye.